Hey guys, a very warm welcome back to your channel Dr. Batisi. I'm your dentist Dr. Jasmine. So today we will be talking about things how I am and how you could and how we all could, especially dentists in a dental practice, can shift from plastic and things that hurt the environment to reusing things, being eco-friendly and biodegradable. Bamboo, wood, cloth such as cotton, silk, wool, मिट्टी जो होती है, clay, terracotta, we can shift to all that. These all are amazing products, and trust me on this, it's we if we haven't done that, the shifting, we are already very late. We should start immediately, as soon as possible. So guys, first one is matka. Matka I have shared with you all a lot earlier also, that it will never give you sore throat. It is so easy to maintain, so reasonable, and provides the best water, especially during monsoons and summer. We make sure that we have this, and it's super awesome. This next one is these glasses. Of course, these are my favorites. Of course, different designs we choose. Instead of plastic, we give the patient this for rinsing and for drinking or whatever purpose they might have. Another is the face mirror. So instead of getting the plastic mirror, you can go for handmade by the artisans of India. You can go into handicrafts, or of course you can make a mirror of your own as well. The best remains carrying your own water bottle, no matter you are traveling wherever, especially copper bottles, because do not have to mention why they are so good for the health. And the best part is, you are not throwing garbage, you are not buying again plastic bottles. And number third, that like it's making you save a lot of money, because you don't count this, but again and again every day, if you're on the travels, you are buying so much water bottles. So one is that we try to save a lot of water. We use it only when it is needed. Train and educate your staff on not using the water when there is no need. If possible, if whatever, wherever you have your clinic or home, or in any ways you can save, collect rainwater, that is best. You can use it for mixing your diastone or plaster of Paris, or you can put water your plants, and many uses. And while education of right brushing technique, definitely mention that when we are brushing, we keep the tap on sometimes, so that needs to be off. You can educate that as well. Save electricity, guys. Another one, if possible, have natural light. Our dental consultation room and our dental surgery room, but especially the consultation room, has a lot of light. But now the stickers are placed, so it is a little dim from outside, but it is well lit. We keep a lot of plants. Replace your very old ACs with the new ones, because it saves a lot of money and your electricity bill will be reduced. I can guarantee you that. Replace your old lights with the LEDs. We have a lot of LEDs here. Guys, the clinic video tour is already on the YouTube channel. You can have a look at that. So we go paperless. Of course, things cannot be done in one go. Like you cannot totally replace everything and become eco-friendly, biodegradable, natural in one go, and everything cannot be done, especially in dentistry, in a dental clinic. But here I'm just demonstrating your small steps, which can, if everybody takes, it's a huge step, honestly. We have blood test here as well. So when there is by mistake some error in printing the paper or the report or some, we tear that A4 sheet and we put it into 4 pieces, divide it, and we make this. So these have all these are all old reports, torn paper, or paper which is not used, which we can use it again. All those paper are here, and we try to give instructions, write something, to-do list, few things which needs to be brought to the clinic. Everything we write it down. So we are reusing the waste paper. and slowly we can go paperless by getting the digital software, especially if it's made in India. We can give prescriptions online, we can give bills online, and what not, but everything cannot be done immediately, and the consent form can be filled online. But currently we have one consent form. Earlier we used to have two, IDA, COVID included, but now we have just one, the consent form and the registration process. So just do minimum work and try to use paper. Like, one, if you have printed this side, try to use the back side of it as well. Instead of plastic files, you can use this cloth file or the paper file. If you are giving the medicines in a plastic bag, you can replace it with a canvas cloth bag, or paper bags, brown paper bags, or the prescription, the medicines we get from the hospitals, like that kind of a thing. Shoe cover, which is now I guess banned, instead of that you can have a head cap or a cloth cap made for the shoes. Or you can of course ask the patient, because we have to ask the patient to remove their shoes before entering, but sometimes many people cannot remove it because of variety of reasons. So all the loopholes you can see here, guys, are the business opportunities. Make in India, made in India, whatever you keep asking. There is no scope after BDS, so everything. These are the loopholes which should catch everybody's attention, especially dentist. The next is, guys, what we do, we try to use this. We have spoon, fork and straw made of bamboo or wood. You can definitely go ahead with that. The cake cutting knives, you can go ahead with the this wooden ones. And plastic ko we should be saying no, bhaiya, we won't take it. We should be saying no. We have induction with us. At least this saves a lot of electricity. Try to plant a lot of trees. Maybe it's on clinic anniversary, your birthday, New Year, special day. We have planted a tree. This is the picture, guys. We planted a tree. It's all on the social media channels of the clinic, and I have shared on my profile Instagram dr.battisi as well. My first experience of bamboo toothbrush is of course on YouTube channel, and the link will be given in the description, so you can ask or request your patients to go ahead with the bamboo toothbrush. Toothpaste, we can go ahead with a glass jar. We can put it in that, or buy such toothpaste which comes in glass jar. And if not, that is again a business opportunity for you to make those, because it's not just brush and paste, it's about the right brushing technique. I have been using the bamboo toothbrush since 1 year and I'm all awesome. So guys, this is, I'm not promoting, but recently I went for a course on essential oils, aromatherapy, and that was an amazing course. So perfumery, so this Fool company, Fool, you must have heard about this. So the one of the teachers there inaugurated this. So I'm not promoting, I'm saying it again, it's just that I love this product. The packaging is amazing. It had these many sticks. It is a little expensive if you are in a habit to buy agarbatti, which cost 10 rupees, 10 to 20 sticks. According to that, it's little expensive, but it has a paper as well, which if we put it in a plant, if we destroy that paper and put it in a plant grows out of it, if in a pot. So we have tried that. Let's see if the sapling comes, or if the plant comes. But this packaging contains a wooden stick, or like rod, in which you put your stick also, so that your agarbatti doesn't get idhar udhar. I really trust Fool vision, mission. It has an amazing backstory. And another mention, again I'm saying, I'm not promoting it, Eco Curry. I recently saw a reel on Instagram of Eco Curry, which was incredible. They used the namkeen packets and made amazing products out of it, and I was just like, my mouth was, it was amazing. So I wanted to mention that here as well. Guys, the X-ray sleeves, we can of course use the thumb and the finger of the gloves on the x-rays, like on the sensor for shooting the x-ray, but the x-ray sleeves are pure plastic, like I guess so. So to replace that, I'm not able to find any other option. And any other suggestions you have, please let me know, like how we can make the dental clinics more biodegradable, eco-friendly, and how we can reuse things. So this was just a short list for me. Would love to hear your comments and suggestions, and would try to include it in our daily practice as well. But small steps makes a huge change, so please start shifting to that. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.